Alright, so tonight we're shooting the Eiffel Tower of Reykjavik, which is this beautiful church. And I'm trying, I walked all around trying to find a good foreground element, and I found this little stone there, playing around with that. The night is beautiful, and I was looking on my phone. The golden hour is like 2 hours, the sunset is like 1 hour, and the blue hour is like 1 hour. It's 4 hours of shooting. It's paradise for photographers. Good. That's a little too bright, like you want it to...
It's still a little bright.
Yeah. Portable, so F7 will do the trick. So you're gonna go to F7 because you're gonna get less sensor dust. See, at F7 you're gonna get less sensor dust, and you're still gonna get an extremely sharp.
Look at that, it's beautiful. Look at that, it's just great with the light. It's like, so this valley is called the Smokey, man.
Okay, this is our first night in Iceland. The workshop has started, Reykjavik, and Steve is trying to do a little reflection, coming close to you, and boom! Okay, let's hurry, the sun is coming back. I don't know if you can see, but there is a lot of northern light tonight. The camera can hardly see it, but look at my settings. Shooting at 6400 ISO, f4, 5 seconds.